Okay, guys, the next thing we have is a multi-step equation. And a multi-step equation just means that there's going to be more than one or two steps. So, step one, we're going to combine like terms. If there's anything that we can put together, put them together. Step two, we're going to isolate the variable to solve the equation. Now, in order to do that, you're going to go back to your notes that you took on one-step and two-step equations. After you combine like terms, if it's a one-step equation, you follow those directions. If it's a two-step equation, you follow those directions. So, for example, this looks like it has more than two steps. So, step one, combine like terms. On the left side of the equation, okay, here's your equal sign. Kind of think of them separately. On the left, I have a 4x and a 4x. I can combine those, 4x plus 4x, 8x. Now, if you look at your 14 and your 38, yes, they're both constant, but they're on different sides of the equation, so don't touch them. Okay, that equal sign is a barrier. So we're just going to take the plus 14, we're going to bring it down, we're going to keep our equal sign, and we're going to take our 38, and we're going to bring it down. Now, after we have combined like terms, now it looks to me like we're just looking at a two-step equation. And a two-step equation says, first of all, addition or subtraction. We have a plus 14, so I'm going to minus 14. Those cancel to 0. Drop down your 8x. Drop down your equal, and then 38 minus 14, 24. Step 2, multiplication or division. So we're going to divide by 8. Divide by 8. 8's cancel to 1. 1x equals 24 divided by 8, 3. Next example. Negative 15 equals 10x minus 40x. So again, there's your barrier. Only look at the left and the right. On the left, you have a negative 15. You can't do anything with that. So negative 15. On the right, 10x, negative 40x. Those are like terms. So we're going to combine them. 10x minus 40x is negative 30x. Then I look at that, and that looks like a one-step equation to me. And in order to get my x by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 30. Now, keep in mind that is negative 30 times x. So in order to isolate that x, the opposite of times is divide. So negative 30 divided by negative 30 is a 1x. And then be careful here. First of all, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 15 divided by 30 is 1/2. Or if you really like to, you could write your answer as 0.5, whatever makes you happy.